Meet the Sunjoe Cordless Garden Combo Kit. 3 tools powered by one 24-volt battery system. First, shape shrubs with the hedge trimmer. The 18-inch dual-action blade cuts smoothly and tackles branches up to 6/10 of an inch to quickly go from this to this. Next, grab the turbine jet blower to clear driveways and walkways fast, blasting up to 100 miles per hour with 280 cubic feet per minute airflow. Now finish with the 2-in-1 trimmer and edger. Sharper blade technology delivers a 10-inch cutting path. No string, no tangles, plus onboard blade storage, so spares are always within reach. Swap batteries as you go, and keep moving with 2 2.0 amp-hour packs and a dual-port charger included in the kit. Trim along fences, edge clean lines by sidewalks, then do a final pass with the blower for a tidy, finished look. Lightweight, cordless, and ready for season after season of clean, crisp results. One kit, one battery platform. Yard work simplified. Go with Joe.